So friends, this bag making machine is Korean bag, LD bag, HD bag. This is a high speed bag making machine in full speeds and Korean bag, and this heaters and bed, and this running this roller, this auto photo cells and glue settings and tapes. These are good machines and good speeds and good running. Bag making machines: standard pouch, 4 side seal, Korean bag, LD bag, HD bag, look bag, diaper bags and glue bags, chicken bags and D-cut shopping bag, t-shirt bag, local bag, fancy bag, printed bag, poly bag, HD bag. All bag making machines I have operate and good running these machines. And 1-2 rule: this is Korean bag and full speed running this machine. This bag making is very perfect. These machines, China bag making machines, Taiwan, German, all countries machines. Any people the requirement, any requirement, you come to my channel and visit and comment my channels, and any machines you get to orders. Thank you for watching my videos, and please support, like, share, subscribe. This Korean bag, flap bags, type bags.